Most of the problems in life come because of two reasons. We act without thinking, and we keep thinking without acting. We keep thinking without acting. A very good morning to all students. Students, today in this video I will discuss about chapter number 6, the first part of this video, degrees of comparison, in which I will give introductions of this chapter. Now students, look at here, read these sentences. Taxis are more expensive than buses. This is the shortest route to my house. Now both these sentences all of you observe, and which are the highlighted word, more expensive and shortest. Now look at here what is written. We use an adjective in the positive degree when we are describing one person, thing or animal. As we know students that adjectives are describing one person, thing or animal. When we compare two people, things or animals, we use the comparative degree. We use than with adjectives in the comparative degree. Students, you have also learned in your 5th standard that there are mainly 3 types of degree: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So in comparative degree, the most important word is than. Than is used in a comparative degree and where the comparison of 2 or more than 2 persons are given. When we compare 3 or more people, things or animals, we use the superlative degree. We use the definite article the before the adjectives in the superlative degree. So the third type of degree is called superlative degree. That is the last degree of the adjectives. So we are using the definite article the before the adjectives. In that we are comparing 3 or more than that people with the other people. So that is called superlative degree. Now here one table is given. You can observe this. This table shows us how to change the forms of the adjectives from the positive to comparative and comparative to superlative. So this table is very important. All of you give concentration here. Positive degree. Most adjectives here tall. If the word tall is given in positive degree, in comparative degree we have to add er at the end of the word, so it becomes taller. And in superlative degree we have to add est, so it becomes tallest. So tall, taller, tallest. Then same way strong is given, then we have to add er in comparative degree, then it becomes stronger, and in superlative we have to add est, then it becomes a strongest. Now see the next point, adjectives ending with e. In some of the adjectives the last letter is e. Here we have to add only r. No need to again use e. Okay. For example, large, L-A-R-G-E. E is given. So in comparative we have to add only r, larger. And in superlative only we have to add st. No need to use e. So it becomes largest. Then white. Same e last letter is there. So whiter and whitest. Okay. Now see the next points. Adjectives ending with a consonant preceded by a vowel. So last letter is of consonant. Students, you know that in English grammar there are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u, and other all letters are called consonant. So the last letter is consonant preceded by a vowel. So उसके पहले का letter preceded by means उसके पहले का letter vowel है. For example, here thin is given. So last letter n is consonant and preceded letter is I, that is vowel. So what we have to do? Only we have to double the consonant and add er in comparative. So here consonant n, so we have to make double n and then we have to add er. Same way in the superlative also we have to double the consonant and we have to add est. So thinnest, thin, thinner, thinnest. Same way big, g is a consonant, I is vowel, so we have to make double g and then we have to add er, that is called bigger. And same way in superlative we have to double consonant and then we have to add est, so it will be biggest, big, bigger, biggest. So all these are the rules you have to students keep in your mind. ओके, नाउ एडजेक्टिव्स विथ 1 और 2 सिलेबल्स। अब 1 और 2 सिलेबल्स के एडजेक्टिव्स भी आपको आते हैं, जैसे कि स्वीट और नैरो। In that we have to add only er, sweeter, and in superlative only we have to add est, that is sweetest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Then narrow, okay, the 2 syllables word. So in that also we have to add er, or in superlative we have to add est. So narrow, narrower, narrowest. Now adjectives with 2 syllables ending with y. Okay, so adjectives consist of 2 syllables and ending with a y. So the last letter y is there. What we have to do? Y, change y to I. We have to cut out the y and we have to put I, and then we have to add er in comparative. So lovely, तो उसका जो y है वो हमें कट आउट करना पड़ेगा, उसकी जगह हमें I लिखना पड़ेगा, और er तो हमें ऐड करना ही है. So it becomes lovelier. And change y and add est. सेम वे इन सुपरलेटिव में भी y को कट आउट करके est डालना पड़ेगा, तो then it becomes a superlative form, loveliest. Same way funny, we have to cut out y and we have to add ier in comparative, that is funnier. And in superlative we have to cut y and there we have to add iest, that is called funniest. Now adjectives with 1 syllable ending with y. अभी जो आप देख रहे हो ग्रे, that is 1 syllable and last letter is y. But the object, उसमें हमें क्या करना है? We have to cut out the not cut out, we have to add er after y. So grey, grayer. And in the same way in the superlative also we have to add est, that is called greyest. Grey, grayer, greyest. But the adjective dry is an exception. Do this rule. जैसे कि यहाँ पे dry है वो exception case है, अपवाद रूप एग्जाम्पल है. इसमें हमें y को कट आउट करना पड़ेगा और ier लिखना पड़ेगा. सेम वे इन द सुपरलेटिव ऑल्सो वी हैव टू y कट आउट एंड वी हैव टू राइट est. ओके, सो दिस इज एक्सेप्शन केस. एडजेक्टिव्स विथ 3 और मोर सिलेबल्स. अब बहुत लंबे एडजेक्टिव्स भी आते हैं, जैसे कि ब्यूटीफुल, करेजियस, इंटेलिजेंट. दिस ऑल आर कॉल्ड 3 syllables वर्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्यूटीफुल, तो ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स में हमें er और est ज्वाइन नहीं करना पड़े, बट कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म में हमें मोर यूज़ करना पड़ता है. सो दैट इज मोर ब्यूटीफुल, एंड इन superlative we have to add most, so it is called most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. अब some of our irregular activities, कई ऐसे irregular adjectives है जिसमें पूरा का पूरा स्पेलिंग चेंज हो जाता है, जैसे कि लिटल, तो उसका जो कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म है लेस है और उसका सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म है लीस्ट. तो ये सभी वर्ड्स आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे. देन गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. बैड, वर्स, वर्स्ट. मच और मेनी, मोर, मोस्ट. फार, फार्दर, फारधेस्ट. तो इतने वर्ड स्टूडेंट्स जो है, लास्ट 5 वर्ड्स आपको उसका पॉजिटिव, कंपेरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव लर्न बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उसमें पूरा का पूरा स्पेलिंग चेंज हो जाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो इतना काफ़ी है ये वीडियो में इंट्रोडक्शंस में. In next second part I will explain the textual exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.